In step V, the focus is on balancing the number of iron Fe atoms in the chemical equation. Here's how it is done. Asterisk current situation. Asterisk cool ester. Discussed. Here are some of these popular reactions, along with a description of their. There are several well-known chemical reactions in chemistry that are commonly studied. And significance. This activity demonstrates the electrolysis of water, where water is broken down into hydrogen and oxygen gases using electricity. Steps involved. 1. A displacement reaction is a type of chemical reaction where a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. This is also known as a single displacement or substitution reaction. The concept is illustrated in the examples provided. Examples. 1. Iron iron and copper sulfate. Figure 1.8 illustrates an experiment demonstrating a displacement reaction between iron and copper sulfate solution. Components of the experiment. Something went wrong. Question 1 of exercise 1.1 asks you to express each given number as a product of its prime factors. This means breaking down each number into its basic building blocks, which are prime numbers. Examples. 1. Asterisk, 140 asterisk. 140 div 2 equals 70. 70 div 2 equals 35. 35 div 5 equals 7. So 100 Two important concepts: Euclid's division algorithm and the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This chapter continues the exploration of real numbers, focusing particularly on the properties of positive integers. It discusses key points. 1. Neumann-Mendeleev Euclid's division algorithm. The diagram shown is a factor tree, which is used to break down a composite number into its prime factors systematically. Explanation of the diagram. 1.